Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be completing a makeup look using all the makeup that I took with me on my trip traveling. First I'm going to be using my MAC Fix-It spray and just spraying my face with this. Then I will be taking my Milk foundation. This is the second lightest shade they have available. And I'm just going to be dabbing my whole face with it using my e.l.f. foundation brush. My goal is to really just reduce the redness. I don't want like a full coverage going on. I like my skin just still shows through. Next I'll be taking my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair and just dabbing it beneath my eyes and on my chin. I'm just blending it out with my finger. Then I'll be taking my eyeshadow primer from Wet n Wild and just placing that all over my lids as well as my brow bone area. I'll be using my Magic Mini Palette by Juvia's Place. I'll be taking Kessie and setting that eyeshadow primer. Next I'll be taking this reddish pink shade and just blending it all over my crease area. Next I am deepening the crease with this kind of indigo shade. It's called Ife, and just deepening my crease. I do pop out of frame here, but just know that I am really just trying to blend that out in the outer V. Reinforcing that pinkish red shade with the big fluffy brush that I was using beforehand. Next I will be taking this navy shade called Ijide and just placing that on the outer corner again. Just deepening that purple shade, trying to get a nice gradient going on over here. Also placing this on the inner corner of my eye. We'll be going for a halo shape today. Next I'll be taking my NYX glitter primer and just gently placing that on the center of my lid and dabbing it out with my finger. I'll be taking this bright green shimmer shade called Yara and just taking a flat brush and patting it all over my mobile lid. Next I'm taking this shimmery pink color called Ocean on this kind of pencil brush and just placing that on the inner corner of my eye. I'll also be running that red shade on the lower lash line with a different pencil brush. the base of the look. I'm going to do my other eye and then we're going to do winged liner. Now that they're as even as I can get, I'm going to zoom you guys out so we can finish the rest of the face. I'll be taking my Too Faced Natural Face and bronzing my cheeks a little bit. I'll be taking the blush and just placing that on the apples of my cheeks. I'll be taking my Moonchild Glow Kit and placing, I think, Pink Heart all over my cheekbones and my nose. I'll be using Coral Corruption by Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit, as well as this pink shimmery gloss from their new Crystal collection. I'll be using my Maybelline Lash Sensational for mascara. Then I'm going to set it all with this Fit Me powder from Maybelline in the shade Fair. And then I will be spritzing my face yet again with the MAC Fix-It and Prep and Prime spray. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up.